Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Okay, it's collab time again with the lovely Sarah R, and today we're using the two soon to be released Dixie plates. So Dixie plates is my brand of stamping plates. Any information you need is linked in the description bar below. If you're interested in release dates, I would urge you to join the Dixie Plates Facebook group to keep up with everything in there. So Sarah is using the lace plate and I am obviously using the Camouflage 01 plate. Now this is a smaller plate and it is all layering images. So the layering images create 3 images. So the first 4 here go to create an Australian camo, which is very similar to the UK and I think the US as well. The next 3 create another image, and then the last 3 create another image, and obviously you can mix and match. So I am going to stick to a very Australian camo theme, and I am chucking in a gold colour. So everything that I use will be in the description bar, but I just wanted to show you my base colour. So I'm using the Ugly Duckling colour 009, and it is a lovely, really nice sort of khaki colour. So that's going to be my base. Everything else I'll link on the screen. So if you're interested, stay watching.
You think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you love me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you love me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
Okay, all finished, and I did finish off with the Ugly Duckling matte top coat just for something new and different. World's best matte top coat. And I really think that camo nails look great with a matte top coat. Now the gold, this is MOYOU London and it's called Liquid Gold. I can't remember ever using this, but oh my God, guys, if you want a mega opaque, really gorgeous, fine, it's just stunning, get yourself some of the MOYOU London. It's really lovely. So the other thing that I was doing in the video, and you could probably see on a couple of the nails, I added a little bit to the tips of the nails where I felt like I could just add a little bit more. My nails are very long, and whereas the image does cover them, I just added a little bit more. And then if you find there's any gaps on the nails and you've got a little bit of the camo left on your stamper, you can just plonk it on the little gaps just to fill it in to how you like. So I am going to stop talking. Now, as I said, the plates will be launching very, very soon. Join the Dixie Plates Facebook group if you want to keep up with that, or check out the websites. All the info is in the description box below. Now, Sarah's channel is coming across the screen now. Go over and watch her video, follow her, etc. That would be really great. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Thumbs up if you like the video. All comments and questions, pop them in the comments box and I'll get back to you. As I said, I'll link all the products below. Oh, excuse me. And please subscribe if you haven't already, and I really appreciate your support. I will catch you in the next one, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.
You know we should work it out. You know we should.